What's going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We got another episode of the Smoke Show coming at ya. Today, we're gonna grill this bad Midland Meat Company Wagyu ribeye. So I salt brined it for about 2 hours, put it back in the fridge, let it dry, let that salt soak in. We're gonna hit it with that chimichurri to finish it off. It's gonna be delicious. Come, let's go fire up the Weber and get at it. Look at that, boy. See, when you're dealing with that Fogo, sometimes this doesn't fit in this. So, I gotta get my trusty axe and make my own size charcoal. Shout out to Fogo though. They got the best in the business. All right, we got the Fogo just dumped. Let's let this bad boy heat up. You know what time it is. McConaughey's time, baby. Twisted X killed it with this one. All right, so this bad boy is nice and dry. Look at this thing. Can't beat that Midland Meat Company. Best beef in Texas. I'm gonna hit it with just a little bit more salt. Hit it with some nice coarse ground pepper from Fiesta seasoning. Just a little bit. Form a nice little barky crunch on there. Can't be beat, man. This is my favorite beef. Hands down. American Wagyu. Just let that bad boy sizzle like that. Look at that fat cap on there. This thing is gonna be tasty. We're gonna cook it a nice medium rare. Just let that bad boy rip and sizzle. You wanna get some chimichurri lessons, dude? All right, chimichurri's going down. We're gonna do 1 part red vinegar, 1 part olive oil. The key is, what Al taught me, is you do the red wine vinegar first and let it sit for about 5 minutes and then add the olive oil. It will rehydrate the chimmy and put that shit on point. That's how you do it. We're gonna kick this bad boy up a notch. My boy Al hooked me up with this. When we get this thing ripping with a little bit of flame, here's how you do it. And there she blows. Ooh, gotta love that Fogo, baby. We are just gonna hit it with a 1/4 spin just to get them real marks on point. Let's go down. Look at that thing. Boy's ripping. Let's hit it with a look at that crisp on there. That's how you want that nice char. Just like that right there. Smoke game strong, baby. And let that fat. All right, I'm gonna text this. I think we're about good. Let it rest for a little bit. Should be right at about medium rare. Let's pull it. Because this thing does not need to be cooked any more than that. You know, if you're cooking a medium, past medium,
eat some chicken.
It's going down. Got to crack another McConaughey's. About to slice into this Wagyu ribeye. I don't temp check anything steak-wise. I just go by the feel. And this one looks spot on of what I like. Look at that. That's what we're looking for right there. All right, let's give this bad boy a try, because I cannot wait. Look at that. Nice crust. Nice, fantastic flavor. Let's get this bad boy with a little bit of that. That chimney on there. That vinegar just enhances that steak to another level. Go get you some Midland Meat Company. They ship all over the US overnight. Holler at them. Best steak you'll ever have.
This one. So this was super tender.
Yeah.
Definitely not what I'm used to. I'm gonna take one bite without. Wow. Oh, that pepper is so good.
Nice little crust.
Oh man. Alright, let's try this fucking. If this is a 10, I wonder what it's gonna be with this.
Next.
Oh shit. Dude. Smoke game approved.
That's it for another smoke show with the Wagyu beef. Man, let me tell you, this stuff is money all day. We're signing out. Shout out to Twisted X Brewery, Midland Meat Company, the two best in the game, the Chimichurri King Al. Go get some of that. Go get all three. Trust me, you will not be disappointed with this combo right here. Go check out Smoke Game Strong for all apparel. We got you taken care of. And the link is in the bio for everything that we used today. Go check it out. It's right down below. Till next time.